briefly touched on the unit circle last week a little bit. A unit circle is a circle on the coordinate plane with a radius of 1, meaning every point is exactly 1 from the center of the graph. So let's practice warming up with some of our coordinates. What are the coordinates of 0 degrees, or 360? So over here would be 0 degrees, right? We want to know what it is for 90 degrees, which is up here, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. Now remember, these are all 1 away from the center of the graph. So 0 degrees is 1 to the right, so that coordinate would be 1, 0. 90 degrees is 1 up from the center, so that coordinate would be 0, 1. 180 degrees is 1 to the left of center, which is negative 1, 0. And 270 degrees is 1 down from the center, so that would be 0, negative 1. Cool. There we go. All right, draw a segment representing a 30-degree angle. So if the first quadrant is 90 degrees, we'll cut that in about a third. We'll go to the edge of the circle here, draw it down, make it a right angle. So this is 30 degrees now. What are the side lengths of the 30-degree triangle? So we know the hypotenuse is 1, right? Because everything from the center to the edge is 1. So this is why we did the warm-up, because this short side over here would be half of the hypotenuse. So this side would be 1/2. And then for that third side, remember you take the short side, 1/2, and you multiply it by √3, which would give us √3/2. So this side would be √3/2. Cool, so there it is for a 30-degree angle. Now you'd be able to figure out the sine, cosine, and tangent from that. We're going to do the same thing with a 45-degree angle. So we're going to draw a 45-degree angle, which is half of 90. So make it about half there. Turn it into a triangle. Right angle, right? We know the hypotenuse because it's from the center to the edge of the circle, which is 1. So for 45, 45, 90 triangles, you can get both of the sides by just dividing it by the square root of 2, which when you rationalize that becomes √2/2. So both sides here are √2/2. Awesome. Now we're going to have to do a 60-degree angle. So 60 degrees is about there, right? It's pretty close to 90, 2/3 of the way there. So if we, that's a terrible triangle. Sorry about that. So again, we know the hypotenuse is 1, which means our short side would be half of that, so 1/2. And then the middle side would be 1/2 times the square root of 3, which we already know from the 30-degree angle was √3/2. Awesome. What do we got next? All right, so let's start the next video for this one. I don't want to rush it into this one.